elderflower turbo cider. That's a really nice drink. Got some of those going out to you fellas. Right, seen quite a few people looking at the Bandmbargains for the homebrew kits, and they look okay, don't they? $7.99. I called in today and I picked this up. Same kits, they've all got £2 off, so it's $5.99. This is a, see there, make your own, create up to 20 500ml bottles of beer, prepare in just 1 hour. Tasting notes: a crisp, dry American style IPA, spicy citrus aromas and a firm, satisfying bitterness. Hops: Centennial and Chinook. Colour: deep gold. Average AVB 5.6 and bitterness 4.5. Now that is, it's a £5.99 kit, was $7.99. That gives more information on this kit than most other premium kits in my opinion. So we'll open up, see what's inside, shall we? I think Norfolk Hillbilly mentioned it, Clive. Knocking about Clive, cheers mate, and Andy's pet. So what we got in here? Obviously the malt extract. So we got the, you can read it there, you probably can't pick it up, I'll read it to you anyway. American IPA, 1.2 kilograms, 1.25 kilograms, liquid malt extract, best before 10th 2019. Contains barley, so it's barley malt obviously, which you know, but 1.25 kilograms is not too bad. What else have we got? We have brewing sugar, 500 grams, so it's dextrose, isn't it? That's what they call it in America. They call it America. What do they call it in America? You put down below, because forget the name. Okay. What else have we got there? Hop packet there. American IPA hops, 20 grams. And we have just a basic brewing yeast, but beer yeast 81001. Okay, it's not the biggest pack. Standard for normal kits, so isn't it that? And we have instructions. So just a very quick rundown on this. For $5.99, flipping it. So we're talking 10 litres, aren't we, for the batch? So it's just basic instructions. It mentions you can use their own kits, but most of us have our own gear, don't we, anyway? So yeah, just general instructions: warm water, clean, sanitise everything, obviously. But yeah, so we come through. Really good instructions, I think. Good temperature is the most important thing. You can ensure the good beer quality and ensure fermentation does finish within 10 days. So I do normally do 7 to 10 days, sometimes 14 depending on what. So that sounds good. Below 20 degrees Celsius, time will ferment much longer. Below 15 will stop altogether. So it's an ale yeast as opposed to a lager yeast, not a problem. Above 25 degrees Celsius, beer quality will be reduced, especially for lagers. It's an IPA kit, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Check temperature first thing every day, make sure brew get too cold. Nice. So for a basic budget kit, that's really good, that. Okay. Apart from adding the hops, if your kit is included, do not remove at any point during 10 days otherwise. So it mentions adding the hops. I've read down here, I think it's 7 to 10 days, something like that. So it's a dry hop. So just, you know, $5.99 you get 1.25 kilograms of malt, liquid malt, and the yeast. Could change if you wanted to. It's not an expensive thing, is it, yeast? So you could do US04, US05, whatever you want. It's not expensive. 20 grams of hops. and 500 grams of dextrose. So what's not to like? So cheers fellas, thanks for watching. So a couple of guys have done it, but just a bit of a bargain at the moment. It's £2 off. All the gear's £2 off. The small fermentation bucket with the siphon and steriliser, sanitizer, if you call it. But yeah, we've all got them. So yeah, yeah. If you want to get a bargain, get down to Bandmbargains. Cheers, fellas. Thanks for watching. The rest of the weekend, bank holiday weekend for us, so that's brilliant. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.